Hi, my name is Alrina from Fleet Physio and Wellness, and today I'm going to show you a very basic knee exercise if you're getting some knee pain in the front of the knee. I say basic doesn't mean it's easy. I've had triathletes and Ironmen that can't actually do this exercise for the full 10 seconds, for the full 10 reps. So do give it a go if you're having some knee pain and see if it helps you with yours. So what you're going to need is a rolled up towel. I'm using a roller. Doesn't really matter. We used to call this the coffee tin exercise when I trained, because essentially you have a big old coffee tin under your knee. So you want to have that under one of your knees, and you can sit up straight. You can do this lying down as well. But what you're going to do is start with the roller or the towel underneath your knee. You're then going to bring your toes right up to your nose, keeping your toe in line with your knee. You're going to raise your leg up until you've completely locked the knee and you can't go any further. You're going to keep that for a count of 10. And once you've done the count of 10, and I mean have a clock handy so you can hear the count of 10, and then very, very slowly, with control, come back down. What you don't want to be doing is coming up and just dropping the leg down. Once you've done 10 repetitions with the knee and the toe in line, you're then going to take the leg slightly out to the side. So you're going to turn your foot outward, keep your toes right up towards your nose, and lock the leg there. You'll find when the toe is turned out like this, you actually get a better lock on the knee as well. That's because that central muscle actually, that medial muscle actually causes more extension for you. So hold that for 10 seconds. Remember the very slow descent, so you're doing it with control, and then you repeat that for 10 repetitions. The last one, to turn the toe inward now, so that you're going to activate the muscle on the outside of the thigh, toes to the nose again, bring it up, and lock as best you can. Now, you can't actually lock the knee completely in this position, which is fine. You're just going to go as best you can, as far high as you can. So you can hold that for your 10 seconds and slowly down. As I say, it's basic, but I can assure you that after 10 repetitions, it's not particularly easy. So give that a go if you're having some knee pain, particularly in the front of the knees, to just strengthen through the quads. I'll show you another progression in a minute.